Alright, so here we are. It's the first part of October. Enjoying the last, one of our, probably our last days on the beach for the summer. Izzy, say hi. Mom, say hi. Say hi, that's right. So Izzy is a walking, talking, moving machine at this point. So just wanted to get a little last beach footage for the year. Alright, later. What was that?
Said not bad for October.
That's right. Alright, here come Gran and Pop. They're coming down the beach. Yeah. Alright. Later.
Okay, do it again. We have to get it on video. Get back on, Izzy. More horsey. Horsey. Ride the horsey in. Go, horsey, go. Yeah, horsey. Say, don't be a lazy horsey, Dad. Yep, Mom's got the video. Hello. Ooh, careful. Say hi. Hi. Izzy. Yeah. I see you. You don't need to see this. Let me help up. Yeah, let me help up. There's the big girl. Now, Daddy's seat. Yeah, that's Daddy's seat.
What?
She's trying to rock. Oh, Jesus. You're gonna get sand all over my towel. Oh. Now your towel's coming off too. Look what you did. There you go. You gonna put it back? Good job. What are you looking for? Huh?
What color is it? Black. Black? You say you saw?
I see green now.
The green hand here, there's the black. Yeah. Thank you. Still sticking with the Braves, huh? Yeah. So where the Cubbies went out, they get swept out of the series? They have like the best record going in.
What are you doing with Mommy's shirt?
In the NL, the Angels won 100 games this year. They were the best in baseball.
Hey! Why are you throwing my shirt in the sand? You gonna wear Daddy's hat? Yeah, you put it on. There you go. Sunshine. There you go.
You don't need to see my sunglasses, buddy. I'll be blind.
Say, yes, I do. And she has it set in her mind.
Thank you. Thank you.
Izzy, are you having fun? Okay, say bye-byes. Izzy, say bye-byes. Look at mommy. Yeah, I'm not getting the attention right now.
Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye to mommy. Right here is. Yay!